Good morning, friends. This is Desigan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, King's College of Engineering, Punalkulam. So today we are going to discuss about mathematical models. That means mathematical modeling in CAD/CAM, computer aided design and manufacturing. Basically, it is a problematic one. Likewise, Fibonacci series, Buckingham's pi theorem, predator model, isotronian model. Likewise, there are a lot of mathematical models are available in the design of CAD/CAM. So we today we are briefly discussed about the basics in mathematical model. We move on to the first slide. So what is mathematical modeling? It is simply a theoretical experimental conduct. By conducting the theoretical experiments to provide a knowledge in design and other parameters. So first one is representation of real world problem in mathematical form with simplified assumptions like quantitative way. And second one is the experiment and often to integrate them. Third one is widespread application in all branches of science, technology, biology, medicine, and several interdisciplinary areas. So we move on to the next slide. So why the mathematical modeling is necessary in CAD/CAM engineering? So for every experiments there is a risky and possible consumption is there. To avoid this, we have to go for a mathematical modeling. And second one, for the process development and manufacturing, we have to go for a mathematical model. And third one is to improve the quality of work, we have to go for a mathematical model. So these are all the three main reasons why we go for a mathematical model. Next one, the use of mathematical model is very important in terms of computer aided design and manufacturing, because the computing methods and computing powers and solving the problem in computer is only based on this mathematical model, and it can be complicated by using the fabricated large scale problem. So the first one we already discussed, the computing methods and computational power, and second one we already discussed, to solve complicated problem, simply in one word, to solve complicated problem. And third one, something other relevant to our department: climate modeling, aerospace science, space technology, manufacturing and design, seismology, environmental economics, the comma is mistakenly written, material research, water research, drug design, population dynamics, combat and war related problem. In all the things, the mathematical model is key. So this is the major use of mathematical problem. So there is a typical mathematical model. There are divided into two types. One is empirical model and other one is theoretical model. In empirical model, there is only two things we have to do. One is experiments and the next one is observations. In theoretical model, we have statistical analysis, mathematical analysis and computational analysis. Most probably the theoretical models are used as a mathematical models. So this is the cyclic diagram that happen in the mathematical model process. The first one is a real world problem is analyzed and it is simplified into the working model, and it is sent them into the represented into the mathematical model, and it is translation into the computational model. After that the simulation is done, then the result and conclusion are interpreted with the real world problem, and the result conclusion is done. So these are all not at all important slides, just we skip off. Though There are various types of mathematical models available. The first one is static model and second one is dynamics model. Simply the name itself tells what is static model and dynamic model. When the mathematical model is somewhat related with the steady state object, we call it a static model. When the mathematical model is related with the moving object, then we call it as a dynamic model. Next one, discrete model and a continuous model. Again we came to the same topic. The continuous model is an object. When object is going in a continuous manner, we call it as continuous model. The discrete is somewhat a particles or an atom or a molecule which is simply there and we analyze by means of mathematical model. We call it as a discrete model. A third one, stochastic. Stochastic, that means problematic. Uh, no, not problematic, that is probabilistic. The probabilistic model or descriptive model. The probabilistic model is the probability of certain event, that is imaginary, and deterministic model is a realistic model. Next one, linear model and a non-linear model. The non-linear model is related with stimulation and linear model is related with vector and basic mathematical calculation. Next the two type is explicit model and implicit model. The explicit model is ideal in nature. Explicit model is used to calculate the state of the system. Suppose a system is there, a thermodynamics or some system is there. There is a system oriented objects are there. So that is ideal. That is called as explicit model. And in implicit model it require computer and manual requirement to solve the problem. Qualitative one model and quantitative model, this is not at all important model, just names it, name itself clearly tell that what is qualitative and quantitative. When the mathematical model is used to solve the problem based on its final quality, we call it as qualitative model. When the mathematical model is concentrate on numbers, that means amount produced in the final step, we call it as a quantitative model. Deductive model is the model is reduced to some exterior hypothesis, observation and confirmation. So the two real model we taken in this mathematical models are black box model and white box model. So the black box model is nothing prior information with the system. White box model is having the prior information with the system. The dimensional analysis is the basic thing in the mathematical model. It is practically observed that the dimension can be easily manipulated. For example, the dimensionless numbers m, l, t, m for mass and l for length and t for time, the basic things that we already studied in fluid mechanics. Next one, we move on for Buckingham's pi theorem. The Buckingham's pi theorem is the very basic things for flow of an ideal equation or Newtonian fluid. That is another model in mathematical model which is used in aspects. Next one, population model is not at all an important model because it is related with logistics. Logistics is not related with CAD-CAM. The CAD-CAM is based on design. So next one is dynamic model. Discrete dynamic model is very important model. ANSYS software is work under the principle of this discrete dynamical model. Next one, prey-predatory model. The prey-predatory model is very important model that is used as a mathematical model to solve the problem. In this, it is basically it is developed for biology. That means it is related to some botany. Then the scientist Roger R. K. is further modified this model into CAD-CAM model. So we call it as pre-predatory model. Prey means food and predator means the wild animal that is going to eat. So likewise prey means the problem we are going to solve, and predator means the software model that we are going to use, that is CAD/CAM. So in depth we discussed about predator model. There is a graphics equilibrium is available on size and its first derivative dn by dt is equal to 0. That means the first derivative is equal to 0. We call it as pre-predator model. Then the pre-predator model having the interaction cases, that is all silver teacups we already discussed, case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. It is related with sinusoidal model. And a pre-predator model is analyzed based on density and time. It is simply disintegrate the stage 1 and stage 2, convergent and divergent. Pre-predator model, that is discussed in terms of animal mode. It is schematic diagram is given as. Then after the pre-predator model analysis, we have to go for a stability analysis. In stability analysis there are two types, homogeneous model and heterogeneous model. The Lanch's law is used to solve the homogeneous model, and square law is used to solve the heterogeneous model. The extension of Lanchester law is finally used in pre-predator model. These are the basic things about the mathematical model. Further problem we discussed in the upcoming slides. Thank you.